In today's video, I'm going to be answering, should you upgrade to the iPhone XS, XS Max, or even the iPhone XR? And really, first of all, which iPhone do you have? Comment down below which iPhone do you currently have. And really, if you have an iPhone 10 or iPhone 8 Plus or iPhone 8, I would say this is not the upgrade for you. Now, obviously, guys, this is an upgrade. An upgrade is an upgrade. The smallest upgrade ever, just from the speed improvements and the camera, is an upgrade. But if your phone is already moving fast already, you probably don't need to look at these iPhones. In terms of the iPhone 10, you have an iPhone 10 from a distance, you're not even going to see the difference. But until you start using it, that's the thing. Now, if you into media, you should go with the iPhone XS Max. So if you don't have an iPad, this is your only Apple device, this is your only media consumption, this is the device to go with. The con is now, this is going to be hard to fit in your pocket. Now, putting this thing in your pocket may be of a pain. I mean, if you wear tight jeans, you wear short pocket pants, this is going to be a pain. The iPhone XS is going to be a little bit more easier on the pockets. And I would say this is a great size. I mean, 5.8, I mean, this is the sweet spot. I mean, it's not too big, not too small. That's what she said. But I think it's just right in the hand. I mean, it's not too massive in your hand. And me personally, I'm going to wait next year. And not to mention, Apple raised up the prices. Now, this is the iPhone Max, so it's $1,100, so $1,100 compared to $1,000. So the XS is still $1,000. So yeah, Apple is going out of hand. And really, the budget iPhone, the XR, it costs $750. So $750 is a little bit too savage, because think about it. Taxes, you didn't pay for Apple Care, the screen protector, the case. By the time you turn around, you're spending $1,000 on this phone. Now, enough of that. It just depends on what person you are. If you want that media, you want that great battery life, go with the iPhone X Max. I'm going to just call it the 10 Max. But if you want something that's going to easily fit in your pocket, but you still have the power, you still have that premium feel, go with the XS. Now, if you want to save a little bit of money, which I would recommend you guys save a little bit more money and step up to the iPhone XS, I don't really see a need. This is going to be a hard sell. Unless you like the colors, which 9 times out of 10, a lot of you guys are going to throw a case or a skin on this phone. I think this is going to be a hard sell. They should have priced this at $500 or $600. Now, starting off with the iPhone 6 and 7 and 8 series, this is the iPhone 6. Should you go out and buy an iPhone XR? And I would say this is your upgrade. This is like aiming towards you guys, because you have a single lens on the back, you have a speed improvement, you have a bigger display. I mean, I would say yes, but like I said, save that little bit of money and go with the XS. I'm begging you. You got the dual lens setup, and really, I see these selfies all the time. Anytime when I see a single lens, I really don't even see anybody with a single lens camera when they're taking these selfies. Just something about seeing the dual lens setup while someone's taking like a picture or a selfie. I don't know. It just looks better. It just looks better on the pictures, for real. Like taking a selfie like this, it just looks better compared to just a single lens. That's just me. But I would say just save you a little bit of money. At least go with the iPhone XS. If you really want to be out here balling, go with the Max. And that's if you have a smaller iPhone. And really, that goes with the iPhone Plus series too. This is the iPhone 6 Plus. Go with the Max. I mean, this is gonna be exactly the same. Oops, I'm sorry. This is the Max. It's exactly the same size, same everything. I actually compare these iPhones, so make sure you guys watch that video too as well, so you guys can see everything better. But this is your upgrade. If you have a Plus model phone, you didn't like the iPhone 10 size, this is your upgrade. This is your time to shine. If you have these legacy iPhones here, I have an iPhone 4, I have the original iPhone, I have a 5S here. If you have these iPhones, go ahead and upgrade. It's your time. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Make sure you guys watch my comparison to all the iPhones, so including the iPhone XS Max and the XS and the XR. I mean, if your phone is really crappy and if it's not working, if it's moving slow, wait until iOS 12. If iOS 12 is not going to fix anything, then yeah, go out and buy it. You know what I mean? Go ahead and buy it. But if you have an iPhone 10 right now, definitely, I don't think, unless you want that bigger display, that's a different story. I don't see the need for you guys to upgrade. And shout out to Alvin. Alvin just hit me up and he was saying like, "Yo, what do you think about the iPhone 10s Max?" He's coming from an iPhone 6s, and he's really leaning towards the photography. So he's into taking pictures. And I would say if you aim for that, for videography and photography, I would say yes, it's definitely going to be worth it. Especially with these new iPhones, you can change the bokeh effect. You can it's just a lot, and you have the stereo microphone. I did mention that on my previous video, everything you need to know. But yeah, when it comes down to stuff like that with pictures and all of that, anything with the iPhone 7 and up, it should be good. It should hold up well. 7, you have that dual lens camera setup, and that's definitely a must. But I'm really just talking about like in terms of speed, in terms of screen size, is it worth going out and upgrading? And I'm telling you guys, iOS 12 is going to definitely bring a lot of speed improvements, battery life improvements. It's definitely going to be worth an upgrade. Apple been through 12 betas, which is a world record, and that's just insane. So really, Apple want to definitely, fix all the mistakes that they made in iOS 11 and really improve it. And especially like the iPhone 5s and older devices, they want to end on a good note too with iOS 12. So yeah, so Apple's trying. All right guys, that pretty much concludes today's video. I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you guys subscribe if you're new around here. Comment down below which iPhone that you currently have right now. I'm very, very curious to know. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Thumbs up, and other than that, your boy Pops, and I'm out. Peace.